Ellie the Elf and the Missing Star. High in the snowy North Pole, where Santa's workshop buzzed with holiday magic, lived a cheerful little elf named Ellie. Ellie the Elf loved working in Santa's workshop. She was small, quick, and great at polishing toys until they shined like new snow. But her very favorite job of all was checking the Christmas tree star. Every year, the biggest tree in the workshop was topped with a bright golden star that lit up the whole room. One cold morning, Ellie rushed in to check the tree and gasped. The star was gone. She looked under the branches. She looked behind the toy shelves. She even checked inside the cookie jar. No star. "Oh no," Ellie whispered. "The tree can't shine tonight without its star." Ellie grabbed her tiny lantern and hurried into the snow. She followed tiny footprints across the yard. They led to the reindeer barn. Inside, Prancer stood proudly with something shiny behind him. Ellie peeked around, and there it was, the golden star. "Hee, Prancer," Ellie giggled. "Did you borrow the star for a decoration?" Prancer nodded his head with a happy jingling collar. But when Ellie reached for the star, it slipped off the hay bale and rolled out the door, bouncing toward the snowy hills. "Oh no, come back!" Ellie called. She chased it past candy cane trees, through a fluffy snow tunnel, and up a tiny hill. The star wiggled, glittered, and finally stopped right at the edge of Santa's sleigh path. Ellie caught it just in time. She hurried back, climbed a ladder, and placed the golden star on top of the tree. The whole workshop lit up with warm, glowing light. Santa walked in and smiled.
"Ellie, Christmas shines a little brighter because of you."
Ellie beamed. Tonight, the stars sparkled, and so did she.